And hello, folks. I'm Tom Rebecca here. We'll get a little weather information here for the week ahead and into your next weekend. Right now, it's a partly cloudy skies. We take a little camera tour here. The view from Rapides Regional Medical Center, looking northeast there across the Red River, over onto the Pineville side. We see a few buildups there, but nothing that we're indicating any rain yet there. Natchitoches, 91 degrees, a partly sunny sky. As we can see, a pretty nice day up there. Yeah, it got hot again today. 93 in Leesville. We got some clouds over in that direction, though, but no rain showing up just yet on the camera. Now, the bottom line, we'll talk about these things. More rain and then drier. I'll explain that as part of a pattern change that I'm seeing. And then anticipating some nice mornings. That's what that dry air does for you during the day this time of year, where we're still really, technically, we're in meteorological fall, but here, technically, we're still in summer here in Louisiana. But that dry air makes it feel a little bit more comfortable during the day, takes the edge off the humidity and the heat, but it also leads to some glorious mornings. And well, I'll have some numbers for you. We'll see how glorious it is. Let's go into the radar. We're picking up some showers and occasionally a thunderstorm or two. You can see this is just kind of in a band right here across the middle of Louisiana. We'll get in a little bit closer. And let's start down in South Rapides. There's a little something going on there in the area just near DeRidder. Just a little heavy shower there. Not too big of a core, but across South Rapides, we're seeing some activity in that direction. Yeah, there's occasionally a lightning strike out of that. Pretty heavy cell. Sitting right there just to the east of Glenmore. We go over into Cheneyville, raining there. And folks, yeah, they're hearing some thunder. Hearing some thunder up in LeCount to the east of. We were seeing some pretty hefty rainfall in that particular area. And then off to the east of us, over in Avoyelles Parish, and then extending into South LaSalle and Catahoula, we're seeing some thunderstorms in that direction as well. And I can put this into motion for the past hour and just kind of see that's drifting to the west. And so with that, I think some of this, if it survives, and we've got some heating, we've got some instability, it could survive and move into Alexandria, Pineville Metro and provide us with additional rainfall over what we've already had. Some outflow boundaries could trigger a little bit of new action down there in Allen and Beauregard parishes as well. I think we're going to miss it there in Evangeline Parish with this outflow boundary, as it is weakening. A little bit going on in St. Landry, as you can see there, but it's pretty hit and miss. So that's your radar tour. Satellite and radar indicating rain to the south of us and to the west of us. And so we're kind of thinking that the upper level pattern is going to change, where it's going to start to come more out of the west and northwest, and it will pick up these areas of moisture and rain and kind of move them this way as we head into the middle part of the week. And that means the increasing rain chances and a chance maybe even for some heavy rain. For your futurecast Tuesday morning, back to work and school, yeah, we've got, I don't think we'll see any issues. I think tomorrow's rain chance is there, but it'll be mainly in the PM hours. And then as we go into those PM hours, you start to see a shower or a thunderstorm start popping up there, and that will continue to percolate throughout the afternoon and evening hours. And once we get into Wednesday morning, I think we're back probably all right there. But as we work through the rest of the day, we'll start to see rain chances increase, and I think it'll become likely during the day on Wednesday as far as your rain chances are concerned there. And I think by then, in fact, I've got 90% on Wednesday. Satellite imagery there in the central and eastern tropical Atlantic. We're watching a tropical wave in that particular area that has little potential for development right now. It's 20 cents worth there off the west coast of Africa. That tropical wave, I think, came on out in the Atlantic yesterday and continues to move toward the west. The next area of interest is in the Caribbean, where we see a tropical wave entering the eastern Caribbean here for tonight. We see a little bit of uptick in the action there across the Yucatan Channel and in the Gulf. We've been watching this system for days and days, and it's been kind of helping us with some of our rainfall, getting some needed rainfall, but it's just not doing anything, and the Hurricane Center has dropped it from consideration. But this particular area in the Caribbean, that's what we're going to be watching here over the next 7 days and into the southwestern Gulf of Mexico. So, yeah, it's September, and this is the busiest tropical month of them all, folks. All right, 7-day forecast, 30% mainly in the PM for your Tuesday, but hefty increases for Wednesday and Thursday, 90 and 80% respectively. Some heavy rainfall possible. I think 1 to 3 inches, no problem getting that. Possibly even a little bit more in places for the 2 days, not in a few hours or anything like that. All right, so I'm going to say a little front because the upper level pattern will be changing some. That's what that uptick in the rain is due to on Wednesday and Thursday. By Friday, we start to see things settle down as that pattern continues to change. And then I think we see a reinforcement Saturday that really cleans things up for us. You see temperatures low 72, 74 there. So the humidity remains. We're not knocking out the moisture, but we're seeing some improvement in the daytime there. So only 83 Thursday, 85 for Friday, but that's kept down by the presence of the rain. But then Saturday, Sunday, and Monday, as the dry air arrives, we'll see mostly sunny days, mostly clear nights. We'll have some very pleasant mornings, 61 and 59. Remember, these are averages for Cenla that I'm giving, not just for Alexandria or one parish or county or anything like that. So this is just for entire Cenla, the 14 parishes in all of Cenla. So we've got some really nice mornings to look forward to if this forecast verifies, and I hope it does. All right, Nick Mikulus is going to be back with you in the morning. I'll see you again sometime during the PM hours tomorrow, and we'll see if there are going to be any changes to what we're saying. Take care and have a terrific Tuesday. Back to